Hey guys, welcome back. Day in the live video. So this is gonna be the day in the live episode 6. Okay guys, so I just want to show you guys around because in the day in the live 4 I told you guys I moved here and I wanted to show you around because I said that I will show you. It's been like almost 2 months and I haven't showed like any video, so come with me guys. So this is just the club house. We also call it the club room. So for people that live here, you can see there's the pool over there. People are swimming. So as you know, it's very hot in Sacramento. So we absolutely need a pool. So that's where I come to our friend with my brother and my girlfriend. And we love to play the pool right here. And there is almost no one here most of the time. So we like our friend and stuff like that. So I want to show you guys how I play pool. By one of them. Come with me guys, I'm gonna show you where I work out. And you guys are gonna see a lot of videos from me working out. I like to work out like late, like 11 p.m. or even midnight because come here. In order to have a good body, you have to work out, and also for training, you have to be loud. And let me show you guys the gym. Let me open the door real quick. Okay guys, so this is where I work out. That's my board right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of equipment right here. We have a lot of stuff. We have cardio here. We have like stuff here. And I like to work out a lot. And you're gonna show a lot of workout from me guys, so be ready. Right now we are in the business center room. So that's the business center. So if I have some people that want to learn trading and stuff like that, or if I have some live training to do, if I have maybe some Zoom call to do with some people about trading and stuff like that, I can do it here. You can see it's peaceful. And I like the architecture, I like how it looks beautiful. And what I like the most is the same booth one here. So that's a room for only one person. So you can see I turn on the lights, I close it, and I do my work. There is no one to bother me because I can close it, so it's private. And as you can see, I can also have a meeting right here. And that's it guys. Okay guys, that's it. And if you want me to do more videos about the place, about something, and leave some comment down below if you like it. And if you want me to do a video about the topic related to trading and stuff like that, comment down below, subscribe, and thank you.